Here is something you'll never hear after a victory.
Wow, that was some fourth quarter.
Man, I had to do it all by myself. My guys be standing around like this was their first day.
You've never heard this before because it doesn't happen. Winning occurs when every member of a team consistently executes their specific job, play after play, game after game. Winning for us is completing a job on time and on target. If we get to $40 million, we would have become a telecommunications dynasty. That reputation doesn't get created from one project, but from day after day making full use of your team's talent, materials, and time. To achieve a dynasty level of efficiency, everyone has to be on board with the whiteboard, which is a daily huddle to make a plan. Let's first illustrate the problems the whiteboard will solve. You've heard these complaints because they've been echoed through 21 years of system tech. Project managers gripe, "My guys stand around and they aren't skilled." And the installers protest, "The managers are rarely organized. When is somebody gonna train me?" The whiteboard potentially could silence all these grievances. Here's how. Make a 6-column chart. Labeling at the top, who, initials, today's tasks, expected completion, actual completion, and wants/needs. Think of the big task that needs to be done. This might be hanging cable tray. Then break it down to specific tasks with specific places. For instance, bringing in tools and materials into the main hallway, assembling the tray for rooms 101 and 102. Once you have the tasks, start assigning them to your team with realistic deadlines. Confirm that they have the knowledge to complete the given task. Include on the far right any wants and needs. For example, an extra lift or labor. Then make a second row with your forecast of tomorrow's assigned tasks with deadlines. Throughout the day, as jobs are completed, the guys will initial their name or names next to the task. The whiteboard is not only a planner, but it gives us data on behavior. It gives a clear vision of the activity on the job site and where redirects may need to happen. Einstein once said, "The definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over again, but expecting different results." I don't want to say system tech's crazy, but it has been 21 years. This suffering doesn't have to go on another day. Imagine your guys getting stuff done because you've been specific. Imagine being able to know who to redirect because of simple accountability from initials. Imagine less interruptions to the day's workflow to make a second trip because you took the time as a team to plan ahead. Imagine the subordinates loving to work under your leadership. Commit to the whiteboard, and you'll no longer have to imagine. Know that training and accountability are two things that change behavior. We can do better and we will do better if we will make it a habit to be on board with the whiteboard.